How to create an auto reply on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right. Now here you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option account tools and control. Now switch your account to the professional account. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now you'll need to download this app, Meta Business Suite. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download this app, launch it. Now click on the option login with a different account type. Select the option login with Instagram. With that, you're gonna find the list of the Instagram accounts that you are currently using in your device. Select the one in which you want to set up auto reply. Once logged in, click on More option given at the bottom right. Now select the option of Settings. Now head over to the option Automations. Click on the option Instant Reply. Enable for the option of Instagram. Then click on this message option. Now from here, customize your message that you want to set as auto reply. Then click on Save. Now click on Save. Now whenever you receive a message, they will get this kind of message as a auto reply. So this is how you can easily create an auto reply on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.